People are always talking about the way Sunset Auto Family Service Centers do business. Kelly F. wrote this note to us. Went in for maintenance service. Although there was a reduced maintenance incentive providing that service, the Sunset technicians were very professional and responded very quickly. We had our car back within just a few hours, not a few days. 2 enthusiastic thumbs up. Randy N. wrote us and said, I've had nothing but great things to say about Sunset Ford and their people. They've treated me very well and were professional and kind, including the lady in service who's always attentive to my concerns. Would recommend Sunset to anyone. Just a couple of the hundreds of positive social media comments from many happy Sunset Auto Family customers. Your Sunset Auto Family vehicle is always well taken care of by our skilled and experienced technicians. Ask about Sunset's exclusive warranty protection for life, oil changes for life, and the all-new maintenance for life. You just get more when you're part of the Sunset Auto Family, and people do like that.